Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile but you can't seem to find it on your Oppo Reno 7. So let's open our Google Play Store and actually try finding the game. So as you can see, there's no game that we want to download, so in order to fix this we'll need to move back, click on our profile icon, move to the settings, family and parental controls. From here there's two ways you can fix that, and the first one is to disable parental controls, enter your PIN, click OK, and that way you have access to the game. Other fix is to go for apps and games, enter your PIN, click OK, and increase PG to at least 18 or 16. Click save, move back, here find Call of Duty, and it's right here, we can download it. And that's it for this video, hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.